Hi, my name is Manan and I am a technical consultant here at GlideFast. Today we are going to discuss notifications. Particularly, have you seen the pretty ones that have been introduced since the San Diego release? These are customer-facing and the look and feel is so much prettier than the older versions. Today, we will go through updating these notifications and making them more aligned to your customer branding, but use the out-of-the-box ones as a foundation. So let's get started. Navigate to System Notification, Notifications. Look up and open the Incident Was Opened notification record. Under the What It Will Contain tab, we have the email body defined. But the real magic happens within the email template. Click on the preview icon and hit Open Record to open the Employee Notification template. The template is located in the Employee Experience Foundation scope. Let's go back to the main window and change our scope. Back to the email template, and let's refresh the page. Our changes would need to be made on the Employee Notification Layout email layout. To update the Now logo, you simply click on the image, and then click the Insert/Edit Image button. You could either add an attachment from your local device or choose an existing image from the image library. For the purpose of the demo, let me choose an image from the image library and hit Save. Now all I need to do is resize the logo which best suits the layout. Next, we update the background color. To change the background color, we will need to update the HTML source code. So, we go to source code and the line of code we are looking for is going to be background color. This is the color we are using currently. The background color here is applied to different rows. So if I try to look up this particular color, you will see it is used in several rows. What I will do is replace all of these with a different color. Let's do red. To replace all at the same time, you could start with clicking Shift-Control-R and then specify what you need to change. So I will enter the hex code for the current color. Hit Enter. And now the hex code of the color I want to change to. Hit OK. And we are done. To see the end results, navigate back to the main notification record. Refresh if needed. And hit the Preview Notification button on the top right. Here's what our email looks like now. That was all for today. Thank you for watching.